Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can reset your Toshiba smart TV into factory default. Okay, and first of all you just need to press home button on your remote control. When you press one time it will show up this button, and you need to go all the way to the right, and you will see the main menus here and select on it. And you need to go all the way down to this option logo, and then to this option logo, and then press the right button and go all the way down until you can see user reset and select on it, and press the right button to confirm. And now reset is progress, and we need to wait. And now your TV is reset up. Okay, and now your setting is get back to the factory default, and we need to reset up it from the beginning of time. And if you want to know more detail about the unboxing and reset up this Toshiba smart TV, just check in the description. I will put a link. Also in the top right hand of the video, you can check it out. And thank you everyone for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.